Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I do got a pair of gloves here from Kemimoto. They've sent me a few things before, and these gloves, I've actually took these out of the case and wore them for a few days, a couple times on the CRF 300L, and then this morning I rode them on this bike here, the Shadow. It's pretty cool. So these gloves are actually pretty good. They're leather gloves. I'll zoom up here where you can see them a little bit closer, but they're a nice soft inside. They are insulated, not real heavy, but they're full leather. Now they're a little bit tight on me, and this is, I think, is the large ones that they have. Let's see if it says the size. This is the XL, and it says winter sheepskin leather gloves, so it's supposed to be sheepskin inside. I'm sure it's not real, but probably real leather. Feel like real leather. They feel real good. They're nice and soft, and it comes in this like a Ziploc package here. Also comes with like a gift bag, so you could actually take these things and gift them to somebody for Christmas, so it'd be pretty cool. And a low price for a set of leather gloves too. Let's take these things where I zoom up on them a little closer where you can see them here. Okay, so yeah, they're definitely nice. I mean, they're nice and soft. They're snug fit, but I think they're actually getting better after a couple days wearing them now. They fit real good on me. So when I first got them, they was snug. And just being able to flex and get them bent in, it's just like any leather, you know how they are. So they're actually a nice fitting glove, and they're actually pretty warm. They're a lot better than my motocross gloves riding in the winter. It's not real cold, but it's enough that it keeps the cold air. The motocross gloves, the air kind of comes through them, but on these it don't, and they fit good, work good with my throttle and my controls on my bike. So I like that. But nice little gloves. They were sent to me to review. Not making nothing on them. They're not paying me anything, but I will link down below in my description to the Amazon where you can check these out. But especially, and they come with a little gift bag for Christmas, so you can give these for a Christmas present or whatever. But great little pair of gloves from Kemimoto. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. Check out that link below. Catch you on the next one. Ride on.